My name is Renee Dreisch, and this is my wife, Renee.
Hello.
And we're very interested in Residence 220.
We'll be further away from our grandchildren and children. We wanted a place where they could come and it would be comfortable for them to come. So we're looking for a 3 to 4 bedroom and the bathrooms as well. So that was really a factor big in us as far as...
And the kitchen.
And the kitchen. Yeah, of course.
And the pantry.
Definitely the pantry, I have to say. We've been looking at a lot of model homes, and for me it is the biggest, nicest thing. It makes a difference having it inside the house, close to the kitchen. Everything really nicely flows from there. I thought it was really great.
And she liked the depth of the pantry.
Yeah.
She has a lot of stuff to put into the pantry as well, so that matters.
No, you can't.
The laundry room, the mud room, vestibule area coming right out of the garage was nice too. It's these architectural pieces that are well laid out
yes.
that really matter. We started our house searching with one level in mind. It being a 2-level, more space to cool, especially in the summertime here in this area. So the energy efficiency and those factors are big considerations for me.
Well, I first saw it online, so I have to admit that's where I saw it first. The nice proportions of the laundry room, the mud room, the pantry. I know it's kind of like secondary stuff, but to me, that's really important. You know, I'm going to spend a lot of time there, so I wanted to make sure that they were comfortable and a nice fit for me, and I love them. I really see myself, maybe not in the middle of summer, but I see myself out and about a lot here. The trail system being part of it. The pool location is great. The parks, the little local parks, you know, being with different age group people, to be honest, is just something we really will enjoy, I think.
Yeah, we're not looking for a retirement community.
Yeah.
We're not there.
Yeah.
And we like the outdoor activities.
Yeah.
We love the walks, we love the bikes.
Farmer's market and the coffee place, you know, exactly. We could see those things being part of a routine that we do. Go down and get some coffee.
We actually visited some friends from out of state who lived in a similar community, and we thought, that's what we have to do.
Yeah.
Because they were able to go out and take advantage of the community
Exactly.
offering.
And this really has kind of checked that box for us.